targeted by bullets and disproportionate force by the police when we had demonstrations the last 3 days. It is saddening that our youth, some of whom were not even demonstrating, some who are demonstrating but have bullets from the back, which means they were running, are being butchered, are being killed, are being maimed as if they are not Kenyans. We have noted the disturbing trend that our people from these 4 counties, Homa Bay, Migori, Siaya, Kisumu, and in Mathare, Kibera, wherever it is seen that there are Luos inhabiting, they have been targeted, they have been beaten, they have been killed, they have been maimed, and this must stop. The constitution that we fought for, and a lot of our people still shed blood when we were getting this new constitution that now gives people positions to sit on and kill others. This constitution gives every individual Kenyan a right to peaceably and unarmed demonstrate on any issue. In Homa Bay here, on many occasions, we have held peaceful demonstrations. People have come out of their homes, they have demonstrated, and they have gone back to their homes in the evening without police interference. But the moment we hear police were given an order to shoot and kill our people, we cannot agree. We have come out here to say it is unacceptable, it must stop, and it must stop forthwith, because Luo lives matter. These young people are hustlers, they're hustling here. They're just trying to put food